Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker. Before using, you'll want to make sure you've received all the parts and accessories, as well as get familiar with the unit. You will note the lid handle, charcoal grilling chamber, air vents, oven chamber, side handles, latches, front doors, doorknobs, temperature gauge, base, folding legs, lid hinges, grill grate, oven racks, charcoal tray with electrical heating, and power cord. If you're missing anything, carefully double-check the packing materials, keeping in mind that some accessories are sold separately. Check everything carefully before use. If any part is missing or damaged, do not use this product. Contact customer service using the number located on the back of your owner's manual. For more information on the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.